Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick Instagram tutorial video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Instagram chat not showing up. It's a simple and straightforward, so let's get started. The very first thing you should do is to make absolutely sure you are using the latest version of the app. Just go to the Google Play Store and then press on the search bar at the top and then search for Instagram. Now to the right of the Instagram it will just show open or update. If it says open, it simply means your app is up to date. If it says update, it means that you have to update your app. Just go on and update your application. The whole reason you need to update your application is to eliminate any issues or bugs in the previous update. If updating your app does not solve your problem, you should clear the data of app. So you have to exit this and you have to go to phone settings, and here you have to scroll down and go to app management. Then you have to go to app settings. Here you have to search for Instagram. Then you have to go to storage and cache. Here you have to clear the storage for Instagram. So clearing the storage won't impact your Instagram account, but you will need to log in back in afterward. If none of these works, then the next step is to connect to Instagram and report the issue. Let's return back to the app and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and followed by the three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then settings, and you have to click on help. Then you have to click on report a problem, and here you have to click report a problem without shaking. Here you have to simply type your problem, and you can also paste the screenshot, and after that you simply have to click on next and you have to report the bug or problem while using Instagram. Okay, so now that you have reported the issue, Instagram will look into it and help you out. Okay, so guys, this was it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.